If you have stepped into a yoga class, you have probably heard about the Ashtanga practice and the Vinyasa practice. Now, are they the same? What's the key differences between these two? So in this video, I'm going to dive deep into the core differences between the Ashtanga and the Vinyasa practice so that you can actually get an idea of which one will align with your body, with your goals and with your style of practice. तो चलिए आइए शुरू करते हैं. Both Ashtanga and Vinyasa fall under the category of dynamic yoga style, means they involve continuous movement rather than holding static postures like Hatha Yoga. But their structure and approach are quite different. Ashtanga is a traditional, tailored and structured sequence that we practice every day. So the sequence here is fixed and we have to practice it every day. आपको पता ही होगा अष्टांगा पे मैंने ये वाला वीडियो पहले ही बना रखा है where I have actually elaborately described it. But विन्यासा की बात करें तो विन्यासा is more creative and fluid flow, जहाँ हमारे पास free will होता है to decide what asanas we want to put into the sequence. Unlike Ashtanga. Ashtanga में पहले से एक sequence दिया हुआ है, इसी को आपको practice करना है. You don't have the free will to add or subtract from that. But Vinyasa में you have the free will to do that. Now Vinyasa में कैसे हम actually ये sequence design करते हैं? It is designed based on the teacher's theme. जैसे मैं अगर yoga teacher हूँ, what I want to practice, which body part I want to focus on today, उस हिसाब से मैं सीक्वेंस बनाऊंगी. मेरे स्टूडेंट्स क्या चाहते हैं उस हिसाब से सीक्वेंस बनाऊंगी. आज का क्लास का मूड कैसा है उस हिसाब से भी मैं सीक्वेंस बना सकती. सो द टीचर हैज द फ्री विल एक्चुअली टू डिसाइड अकॉर्डिंग टू द एनवायरमेंट and according to the teacher's own theme also. One of the biggest differences is structure. In Ashtanga, you practice the same sequence every time. It's a disciplined method where you memorize the flow and refine your practice over time. Think of it like learning a classical dance form. You master the foundation before moving ahead. Vinyasa, on the other hand, is more like contemporary dance. Free-flowing, creative and adaptable. No two classes are exactly the same. The sequence can be modified based on the teacher's approach or student's personal needs. Both the styles actually use breath और जो pace है वो just differ करता है. So Ashtanga में there is certain counts that needs to be held in a particular asana. जैसे for example if we talk about the downward facing dog या फिर अधोमुख श्वान आसना, जब हम अष्टांगा विन्यासा सीरीज करते हैं उसमें जब हम सूर्य नमस्कार करते हैं तो we have to hold there for 5 breaths while coming back. So that's the count जो हर एक आसना में होता है. एकम, द्वे, त्रीनी, चत्वारी, ये ऐसे काउंट्स जो है अष्टांगा में हम करते हैं. बट ऑन कॉन्ट्रेरी टू दैट विन्यासा में कोई पर्टिकुलर फिक्स्ड काउंट नहीं होता. विन्यासा में you can make your students hold based on their capabilities, based on your free will also. जैसे अगर मैं विन्यासा क्लास एक लूँ and I want to hold in a particular asana, first round में I want to hold for 10 breaths, that's also fine. Second round में I want to make my students hold for 7 breaths, that's also fine. So the teacher has the free will here, but yes, breath का use तो योगा मतलब ही breath है. So breath का use दोनों जो है styles में होते हैं, only the pace becomes different. Ashtanga is known for being physically demanding, especially in the later series. It requires strength, flexibility, and dedication. Traditionally, it's a 6-day-a-week practice with progressive levels. Not ideal if you are looking for a casual practice. Vinyasa, on the other hand, is more adaptable. You can modify it for beginners or amp it up for advanced practitioners. It allows more freedom in choosing sequences that fit your current energy level and body connection. So, which one is for you? Should you choose the Ashtanga style or should you choose the Vinyasa style? Here's a quick guide for that. You can take a screenshot of this just image also. So if you love disciplined, structured and a traditional approach, Ashtanga is for you. If you prefer creativity, variety and flexibility in sequencing, Vinyasa might suit you better. If you want to build strength and consistency, Ashtanga's repetitive structure helps refine your practice. If you enjoy mixing things up, Vinyasa gives you endless options. At the end, there is nothing called the best or the worst practice. It all depends on what suits you the best. मेरे लिए, if I talk about my personal experience, I love Ashtanga more. I love high intensity practice. और वो जो repetitive practice हर रोज करते थे, उससे I was able to judge myself better. मतलब एक आसना में प्रोग्रेस को हम अच्छी तरीके से जज कर पाते हैं when we practice that particular आसना 6 days a week, मतलब almost every day. तो अगर मेरी ओपिनियन अगर कोई लेता है, I love Ashtanga more. But yes, this video was made just to make things clear for you so that you can choose for yourself. Now, if you want to become a yoga teacher and you are looking for a TTC which will guide you completely, you can consider joining our online TTC. Our online yoga TTC of 200 hours and 500 hours are affiliated from the Indian Yoga Association. To register for the TTCs and know about the upcoming batches, you can call on this number and register yours. I hope this video helped. Thank you.